Peep this, everyone. So, the vehicle manufacturers, right? Follow. You keep selling them products that you don't teach them how to maintain properly, right? Or don't force them to maintain them properly. And then they keep buying your products and then wanting to have to buy a new car every 3 or 5,000 miles because the engines are trashed and the transmissions are trashed, or whatever the case may be. Only because you didn't teach them how to maintain your product. So, why would you continue to buy from a manufacturer who's not teaching you how to maintain their product? That doesn't make any sense to me. Eventually, you're going to have consumers that aren't going to come back and buy your products because they don't want to have to put an engine in their car every 3 to 5 years. Because they're not being taught how to maintain that specific vehicle they purchased properly. And where does that start? It starts with the manufacturer. It starts at the dealership. It starts at the first oil change. Doesn't it make sense? How do you end putting in free engines in people's cars and transmissions under normal circumstances? Teach them how to maintain them so you don't have to do that. Simple way, simple fix. Teach your customers the proper way to maintain that vehicle. Thanks for watching. Like my hair?